If your hands hurt after playing drums, there's a problem with your technique. Instructors will tell you to relax your hands, but you need to know what's causing the pain to actually fix the problem. You can do this by pressing really hard with one finger at a time for a few seconds into your palm, drumstick, or thumb. Repeat for each finger and pay attention to which fingers cause sharp pain and where you feel the pain. Whatever fingers cause pain, you're squeezing too much while drumming. Too much tension in your hands restricts blood flow, contributing to all sorts of repetitive stress injuries like tendonitis or carpal tunnel. To prevent those injuries and stop the pain, you need to fix your technique. To do this, slow down your playing to like 40 beats a minute and pay attention to when your fingers, wrist, and forearms hurt. For example, you may notice your forearms hurt when playing downstrokes, but your wrist hurts when playing upstrokes. Whatever the issue is, relax the fingers that are causing the pain by playing with fluid, continuous motion, using rebound, and distributing the contact with the stick without squeezing the stick. You should be so relaxed that somebody could easily pull the stick out of your hand while you're playing. Another way to test if your grip is relaxed enough is by tapping each of your fingers on your stick without changing your technique. But in order to prevent them from tightening up again, you need to adjust your technique to support the fingers that were causing the pain by working too hard. For example, if your fulcrum is too tight, you can train your bottom fingers to do some of the work rather than relying entirely on your fulcrum fingers. Experiment with using different combinations and ratios of finger, wrist, forearm, or rotation to distribute the workload while drumming, rather than relying on only one of many possible mechanics you can use while playing. Not only will distributing the workload make it easier to play without pain, it also allows you to play faster. That's because tension is to drumming as brakes are to driving. Even if you hold down the gas pedal, the more you press down on the brakes, the slower you'll drive. The same is true with tension while drumming. The more tension you have, the slower you'll play. Don't believe me? Try this. Without holding drumsticks, move your hand in the air like you're drumming with your wrists. Now try to squeeze your fulcrum while wiggling your hands in the air. Did you notice how your wrists slow down or completely stop bending? That's because tension in your fulcrum causes tension in your wrist, which slows down your playing. So not only will a relaxed technique keep your hands pain-free, but it will help you drum faster. If you want to learn even more tips about how to keep your hands healthy, this playlist has a video that teaches a daily stretch and massage routine I use to keep my hands healthy. Another video on how to recover after drumming, and many more free drumming lessons and tips. Check out my YouTube channel's home tab for thousands more free exercises and drumming tips. Click on the section header to show all of the playlists and use timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM or drumming tip.